Damn, he giving him the back tire. Look out, Gladys. Hey, Gladys girl. We got Gladys Fuentes in here, y'all. Got old Gladys in here. Let's see. I don't know these. Okay. Okay, they getting crunk, y'all. They happy to see. Oh, okay. We're taking this side, y'all. Okay. Y'all make sure y'all hit that share button. All right, where y'all going? Where y'all going on this race? Y'all know where to go? The other one? Okay, she got the other. You got the other side too? You too? What side you getting? Where you? Oh, she got this side. Where you at, man? You right here? Yeah. Okay, they right here. They right here. Now you got this one. Oh, my bad. Shit. You got the stone bed here.
No, I'm about to chill it. No, not for you. No, I'm good. I'll talk to you about it later. Security, man. I'm not gonna talk to you. He's shining that fucking light at everybody. As if it went out, they go out. He's shining his light at everybody. I told him quit shining his light. They wouldn't listen to me. I said, hey man, quit shining that light. Strobe light in the cars. It's fucking with the drivers and it's making my head hurt. Because I have a brain injury, right?
Yeah.
Bright lights fuck with me. You know this. So I asked him again and again. He ignores me. So I said, hey motherfucker, quit shining that light over here. It's hurting my fucking eyes. And he comes over here charged up at me telling me quit being aggressive with me.
It done went down over here.
Real down. I'm charismatic. Normally I'm the stone vet chill.
Yeah.
But when you're fucking escalating shit, you're sitting in the middle and I put the camera right in his face, bro. And he goes, get that camera out of my face. I go, oh, you must be new at Yello Belly. You have the right to be filmed. Thank you. He ran up into me like he's gonna do something. Of course I'm gonna film you, bro. What do you want me to do? Other than that, I'm swinging. Nobody gonna do like that. Dude, you're hurting. I have a brain injury. I'm a disabled veteran. He goes, I'm a veteran too, so what? And I go, then listen to me as a veteran, motherfucker. You're hurting my head. And you're being a distraction. There's no reason for you to have a light on the starting line. If you need to tell somebody to do something, go over there and tell them.
Hold your house.
Hold your money. I told you.
Boy, he drove the shit out that Trans Am. He got out of it and everything, got back in it. Well, that little thing there, I gotta whoop him with that Mustang. When I get that Mustang out, I gotta go and get him.
He fucking backed down.
Oh, he did?
Flashlight away, he walked away.
Damn. Wait a minute, let me see who Hey, Mira! Mira! Make sure y'all subscribe there. Yeah, here you go. Yeah, give it something to him too back there. Appreciate it. Already, thank you. You need another? Already. Let me see. Let me go pull it in the lane, y'all. They want me to go pull this shit. They want me to go pull this car in the lane. Let me see, y'all. I'm finna go get the caprice, y'all. Put it in the lanes. Piss Ronnie off. Damn, I hope they don't be trying to make me. Hey, let me see. Hey, okay. Why someone messing with Stone Vet? I don't know. Damn, look at this long line. I don't feel like waiting in this line, boy. I don't really feel like. Oh, that's good. The gate already open. Look out, look out. I'm finna go pull the car on the line.
Well, just tell him to go fuck off. That's what I told him.
Let me see some. Let's see. Look out, I'm finna pull in line. Let me see. Let me see something.
I feel vindicated now.
Vindicated? You done got it to the
I got me an Easton phone call is what
yeah,
it was.
yeah.
That's what I just got. You good? You taking
Yep.
off?
Nah, I'm finna go get in line.
All right.
I'm putting it in line.
Fuck, man, my adrenaline is spiked right now, bro.
I can hear it, I can tell. Get that low battery out of there. Let's get it, let's get it. Let's go see what we can do over here. Oh, we got that lady in the front over here. I might just sneak in without her looking. That's what I'm gonna try to do. Drive way over here on this side. She ain't looking, y'all. Got her. Ooh, yes. Okay. She ain't chasing me. That's good. Let me see. I'm gonna come over here in the right lane. Okay, bam. I'm about to say, damn, she coming? Nah, she ain't coming, y'all. Okay. Boom. Alright. Look out. Is this what I'm racing? Nah. Nah, I ain't gonna try, y'all. Yeah, y'all ain't got no